What if I told you that plain English, not Photoshop, is now the fastest way to create stunning images?
And everyone is going bananas. That's Nano Banana, Google's new AI tool inside Gemini. It works for everyone. Creators making product shots or social posts, and people just having fun turning pets into superheroes.
Some people even claim that it's making Photoshop and other editing tools obsolete. And I think I agree. Not for the advanced stuff, but for basic features that most of us really use. But here's the real secret. The magic isn't the photo you upload, as you will see as we go along. It's in the prompt. A prompt is simply the instruction you give the AI in words, in English, and now possibly in other languages too. And clear prompts are what separates amateurs from professional editors. Nano Banana is for everyone, and I mean everyone, looking to up their game. It is really democratizing creativity. It's for creators who need polished visuals quickly, for business professionals making slides, product demos, and presentations, and individuals experimenting for fun. Whether it's a product shoot or a social media post, business slides or family posters, it's as easy as typing an idea. And if you don't want to download another app, no problem. ChatGPT's image modes lets you do a lot of creative things with pictures too. Same idea, different platform. In this video, we've used a mix of images from Nano Banana and ChatGPT image mode. First, what can Nano Banana do? Think of Nano Banana as your creative partner. The first thing that it is really great at, it's reimagining your photos. This is where the fun is, and people are going bonkers trying out all kinds of new cool stuff, like sitting with your younger self at a tea party, turning your pet into a figurine or a video game character, swapping a dress for tennis balls while keeping everything intact, or adding dramatic Bollywood poster effects. You can also blend 2 or 3 moments into one seamless picture. Broadly, you can do these things now quite easily. No expertise required. You can touch up photos, you can add or remove elements from photos, you can do in-painting, which is change only one element, like change only the sofa in this living room to a vintage brown leather Chesterfield. You can do style transfer, transform the city street photo into a Van Gogh style painting. And you can combine multiple images. There are so many uses for Nano Banana. But what makes all of this happen is the prompt. For example, make this photo look like a 90s Bollywood poster with dramatic lighting and vintage photography. Apply Vogue magazine photography style with glossy finish and soft shadows. The second part, which is amazing, is that you can create entirely pictures from your imagination just by writing the text. This is where creativity meets imagination, and people are again creating so much amazing stuff. You can create a superhero saga told across 9 frames, a dessert plated like Michelin star cuisine using only ingredient names, a glowing fantasy map with rivers and volcanoes. An example of a prompt: turn these ordinary scissors into a realistic fantasy elf warrior from a movie scene. And it's not just for creative fun. Nano Banana is also for serious productivity tool for business users. You can generate slides, you can generate infographics and charts straight from the text. Let's look at a couple of examples. Let's generate a pie chart showing resource allocation, product development 50%, marketing 30%, operations 20%. Use professional colors and a stack of coins icon, and boom, there you go. Create a visual metaphor, a small sturdy boat trying to navigate a narrow river. Show a large, unwieldy anchor labeled new features, dragging it behind, causing ripples and slowing it down. Keep the style illustrative, not overly complex. This isn't creativity, it's productivity. Teams can go from rough notes to presentation ready in minutes. In short, Nano Banana, what can it do? Reimagine, that is edit, remix, restyle your existing photos. And number 2, create build brand new worlds from scratch. My first try with Nano Banana was disastrous, disappointing. I uploaded a raw portrait, no makeup, no filters, and the output didn't look like me. Wrong lighting, generic vibe, generic face. Why? Because I didn't guide it. Nano Banana isn't a mind reader, it's a translator. If you're vague, it guesses. The more precise you are, the better the result. Don't worry, we will break down exactly what you need to write. Let's look at an example of a good versus bad prompt. Bad, make me look cool. Good, enhance this portrait naturally. Focus on my face. Use high-end fashion magazine cover. The background, blurred garden background. Use a soft golden hour glow. Keep all facial features exactly as in the original. Add a flowing red scarf. Look at the detail, and now Nano Banana or any of these editing image softwares know exactly what to do. Let us break down the 8 keys to a good prompt for images. Number 1, set the goal. Are you editing or are you creating? Do you want realistic or do you want fantasy? Understand what you are trying to do. That's the first part of the creative brief. Second, define the subject or the focus. Who or what is central? Is it a face? Is it a building? Number 3, choose the style, the aesthetic. A Vogue cover, cyberpunk neon, watercolor, sketch. Number 4, set the environment, the background. Where is this happening? Is this in Paris? Is this at night? Is it in the park? What do you want the background to look like? Then control the lighting. Do you want an evening glow? Do you want dramatic? Do you want black and white? Number 6, this is very important. Preserve identity. This is when you're working with pictures and you want to keep features realistic. Number 7, add details, add accents. What kind of props, what kind of clothing, what kind of effects. Add a hat, add glasses, whatever you want to do. And number 8, do not forget this, test and tweak. Run variations, refine the photo and the image and your prompt until it matches your vision. At times, you will see that these tools will still struggle. The first thing that they struggle with is facial fidelity. Without controlled lighting, it misreads shadows or contours, leading to generic and distorted looking faces. Number 2, over-stylization. It leans towards cinematic or fantasy looks, which overwrite natural features. Number 3, lack of context. If you don't say, preserve my real face, it may default to idealized edits. Number 4, big issue, lots and lots of spelling errors. Number 5 is a realism drift. It tends to focus more on the abstract. Some tips that I have learned, the first is style. One of the fastest way to get better results is to anchor your prompt with a style. Nano Banana understands dozens of them, from fashion covers to fantasy worlds. Some popular ones: give me a retro look, put me in the 80s, give me anime or cyberpunk. There are many more. Just drop the style into your instruction and the AI will adjust lighting, composition, and overall mood accordingly. Second, it's not just about the style, it's the type of description you use that really matters. Think of it like switching camera modes. You can have photorealistic, you can have hyperrealistic, do extreme close-up, aerial, illustration, cinematic, studio, fantasy. So if your results feel flat or generic, experiment with these two. Now that you know how prompts work, let's get playful. Here are some real examples we tried ourselves. The first one was in business productivity. We created a modern infographic explaining the 4 pillars of Agile Development. In photography, we tried to create 2 different photos. The first was a hyper-realistic macro photograph of a bumblebee covered in pollen, landing on a dew-covered petal of a purple iris. The second one was a photorealistic still life of a bowl of fresh, colorful fruit on a white marble countertop with bright, clean lighting and subtle reflections. The third was portrait transformation. Show me in 20 years with a touch of glamour, photorealistic. And then photorealistic headshot with a touch of Bollywood glamour, makeup, smooth hair, warm studio lighting, and all features intact. These aren't just fun ideas, they show the range from business slides to natural photography to artistic metaphors. Nano Banana takes plain text and turns it into stunning visuals. You must give it a try.